Traders, August 29, 2018. It's after market close. It's a Wednesday. I'm going to provide another trading report update on BIOAQ, BioAmber Inc. She popped at the open today around 0.0326. I stated, looks like she's going to go higher, and this was during the day, and I posted on Twitter. So something like this, and I said, oh, okay, all right, we're going to get another up move right here. What happened was she was deteriorating slowly by slowly, and I noticed that the buying pressure was leaving and the selling pressure was coming in. So then I went on Twitter and I posted that that I told my followers to be careful that the buying pressure is leaving and sellers are coming in. This was around 0.035 or so, about 0.2 cheaper than where I believe the buy was happening. Another upswing ahead. So, you know what? After that, trade sideways, ticked up, but it then trailed down to 0.0266. Now, from here, it's it's a really hard decision. I think it may go lower tomorrow, but I don't know what the news is. It looks like as of right now, the traders are out of this position or getting out of this position. The only thing that can help the stock, and I don't frankly even know if the news release of the courts can actually help the stock. I don't know if the value of it, where the stock is trading right now, is priced in to bankruptcy, liquidating. I really don't know. And this is where you got to be very skeptical with stocks, especially penny stocks, when they're on the verge of bankruptcy. Holding them overnight, if they get out of bankruptcy, can really make you, it could be a home run. It can make you good money. But at the same time, it can lose a boatload if you invested a good portion or traded a good portion into it. My honest belief is if you try to get in a position of this stock, day trade it, get in at the open, get out by the close. Don't stay in overnight. But if you do plan to go in overnight, don't put all your eggs in this basket. I mean, they're in court for bankruptcy, for crying out loud. You just got to be a big knucklehead to put all your eggs in this basket. Now, I understand it moves and it's volatile and you can make money. But, they're in court. Okay? So that's something for you guys to think about. I really can't give you indication where she wants to move here on. So I might stop posting on her, but I may revisit her from time to time. I just can't give you an answer because at this point, there's no information for me to feed off of, so I can provide to all of my followers in BioAmber. If you decide to play this stock, do yourselves a favor, day trade it, or have a small amount of this stock if you're planning to hold it overnight. Don't put all your eggs in this basket. There's a lot of stocks out there that can make you money and do well for your money if you know how to trade and you know how to manage your money correctly. That being said, once again, you can follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like it. At the same time, I offer live trading courses. It's very interactive. As I communicate with you on how to learn the trading markets and give you a better understanding on how the trading markets work, we are interactive. We're replacing live trades and we're explaining the theories behind those trades. It's very interesting. It's great knowledge for anybody that wants to understand how the investing market works, how to trade the stock market for a living, or just understanding the stock market in its entirety. Once again, this is Zelman. I hope this tutorial was helpful for all you individuals in BioAmber, and best of luck to all of you.